Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day here in Winslow Township, New Jersey, the Elm section. And we're at 595 Walker Road, and you're surrounded by agriculture. As a matter of fact, right across the street, 35 acres of brand new blueberries have been planted fresh in the ground. Absolutely beautiful right across from you. This is Agriculture Central, one of the most beautiful spots in all South Jersey. You could own it. This property is immense. It's got 2,400 square feet at least, Cape Cod style, and then you have 6.26 acres behind you, which is horse ready and friendly. The landscape here features these amazing tulip trees. Those have to be at least 125 years old and 125 feet plus tall. Simply amazing. You have 7 of those. Gorgeous concrete driveway. Imagine pouring this and how much the cost would be on a concrete driveway in today's day and age. Let's check this one out inside. You walk into this glorious Cape Cod and you can see you have the thick baseboard moldings. You have the low Anderson windows. Most of the house is Anderson, by the way, most of it. And you have a wood burning fireplace and you have plenty of room for your baby grand here. The heating system, as you can see here, is the hot water baseboard heat. That's the finest that you could buy. Doesn't dry up your sinuses and makes your breathing hygiene just so much more efficient and better. You have a country dining room. You can see that it's very, very large. It can accommodate a china cabinet, and you have your own built-in here where you can display some of your china finery. Let's make our way this way. We'll go upstairs in a minute. Large country kitchen, and it opens up to your more informal family room that has a focal point central wood burning fireplace. You have the vaulted ceiling in here, and I have a sight line into the kitchen, elevated, looks absolutely stunning, and then I could see all the way through to the bedroom on the far northern side of the house. This is a fantastic room. This is a 3-season room, and you can see the cellar has lovely plants throughout. It's got windows that are elongated that gives you a nice sight line of the backyard, and this gives you the first glimpse of the corral that's electrified with the fencing, and imagine your horses running back through there. As we make our way to the south portion of the house, you have a 2-car garage right over here, plenty of space for storage, and this is a dream, especially if you like to work outside. This is a mudroom shower, everything nice and neat there. Imagine just getting washed off and cleaned up before you enter the house. Throw your clothes into the washer and dryer. Perfect mudroom setup. Let's check out the 2 bedrooms and the other full bath here on this level. You have closets to the right. You have a bedroom here on the first floor, real nice, overlooking the backyard. Plenty of birds in the bird feeder there. Just light and bright with the heavy-duty glass shower doors, the stacked subway tile surround, everything nice and neat. And you have another bedroom with copious closets. Just tremendous. Let's head upstairs now and check that out. You have 2 bedrooms downstairs, you have 3 bedrooms upstairs, and you have a full bath. And being a Cape Cod, you have the dormers. So this would be dormer bedroom number 1. Look at the size of this bedroom. That's really nice little cubby hole. Lets in plenty of the morning sunlight, double closet, angled ceilings, simply splendid. You got upstairs bedroom number 2, frames the backyard. Looks like a picture. Then you have bathroom number 3 here, services the 3 bedrooms on the upper floor. This would be the 3rd bedroom upstairs. It's a mirror of the south side dormered room. What more could you ask for? And let's check out the basement. It's a partial basement, but a ton of space. This houses, of course, the utilities. This is the central station of your heating system. It's a Wheel McLean, the best that money can buy boiler. You can see the fine copper piping here in perfect condition, level, exquisite job. You got your well equipment here in the corner, 200 amp electrical service. You got gobs and gobs of power. You got your oil tank, which is above ground here in the basement, no worries. And you can just see the expanse, the space that you have. And this would be air handler number 1 for your first floor air conditioning. And then there's another air handler up in the upstairs that handles the second floor, so it's dual zone. And you see this construction? This is a iron I-beam, something that they would build a major office building structure out of, and that's supporting your house. Let's check out the backyard. Nice concrete patio here, walkway. You got your hummingbird feeders, big expanse here. And then you can see this is the area closest to the house where it's electrified, the fence, and you have a 2-horse stable back there. And just imagine your horses running back there in the greenery and the freedom. And the property, it zigs and it zags almost all the way out to Spring Road, and you'll see that momentarily. Coming around this way, you can see under the rear of the house, and you can see how it's laid out. I mean, it's picture perfect, really, really nice. As far as the horses are concerned, this is good information. Don't hold me to it because every municipality is a little bit different. But my understanding is that on the first 2 acres, you could have 1 horse, and then every 10,000 square feet thereafter, you could have an additional horse, so long as you have the proper shelter for the horse. So that's all in the ordinance there. So potentially you could have 6, 8 plus horses here. Absolutely stunning. You own this whole corral area here that's all fenced in by the electrified wire fence. And from this point, from this white gate straight back and to the left and almost all the way out to Spring Road, it zigs and zags. That property's all yours. So if I'm walking, maybe I'll take a quick little jog. You own right down this line here to that way, to that fence back there. You cut through with me in this shaded path, and birds of every variety are in this thicket right over here. And this is a cool spot. Your horses could run right through here and into this large open expanse that goes all the way, or almost all the way, out to Spring Road. This area is a throwback from a time gone by where agriculture was king, but agriculture still is king here on Walker Road in the Elm section of Winslow Township. Imagine planting a huge garden here, whatever you wanted. You could also rent this ground out to a farmer. And this property goes all the way back, and you'll see it. There's a field of violet there. It goes back to the wood line. You own all of that. Let's check it out. Out in the distance, I see a groundhog. I see more blueberries. I see a packing house back there. I see your horses running through there. I see a gorgeous crop of tomatoes, peppers, anything you want here. This property is at 595 Walker Road, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2,400 square feet of grandeur in immaculate condition. Dual zone air conditioning, hot water baseboard heat for your heating system, the best that you can get. The layout is Cape Cod style, and you're in the heart of farm country. Bring your horses. If you need more information on this property, click the link in the description below. If you want your own private tour through my company, call the number right here. If you like this video, please share it. If you absolutely love the video, please subscribe to the channel so that you could be the first to know about all these brand new just listed properties. And as always, don't miss out on this one. Joe Wiessner hopes to see you at the settlement table.